Good morning friends. Today I am going to teach you computer system in standard 9. In that we have to discuss the topic like about a computer system, its characteristics, application and components of computers and its technology. Now friends, computers are an integral part of our lives. Nowadays it is a most useful machine, you can tell. Now wherever we are sitting in our homes, working in the office, driving on roads, sitting in a movie hall, staying in a hotel, etc., our lives are directly or indirectly affected by the computer. A computer, you have one question that what do you mean by computer or a definition of computer. Then you can tell that a computer is an automatic electronic calculating device which can progress a given input in prescribed manner to produce a desired output. A computer have a high speed and its accuracy is perfect. Now next topic, characteristics of computer. In that first you have speed. Now what about speed of computer? So computer works very fast. It takes only few seconds for calculation that we take hours to complete. It can perform millions of calculation per second. Then next, second, storage. The computers can store huge amount of data. Once recorded, a piece of information can be retrieved instantly. The computer has an inbuilt memory where it can store a large amount of data. Third, accuracy. In that computer provides accurate output. The output is depend on the instruction and input data given to the computer by user. The error in computer are due to human and inaccurate data. Then fourth characteristics of computer is versatile. Versatility. What do you mean by versatility? Computer can perform various tasks. We can use computer for doing office work, playing music and games, watching movie, etc. Then fifth one, diligence. Now a computer is free from tiredness, lack of concentration and fatigue. It can perform most boring repetitive tasks continuously without creating any error. Due to this capability, it's overpower human being in routine type of work. आप लोग बोलते हो कि मैं थक गया हूँ, पर कंप्यूटर जो है वो कभी ये नहीं बोलता कि मैं थक गया, वो कंटिन्यूसली वर्क करता ही रहता है. एंड 6, automatic operation. In that once a program is fed into the computer, the individual instructions are processed one after the other. So computer works automatically without manual interaction. And last one, obedience. Friends, there are many characteristics of computer is there, but in standard 9 you have these 7 characteristics. In obedience, it has the ability to take and store a sequence of instruction such a sequence of instruction is called program. You have one definition of program, that sequence of instruction, it's called program. Now friends, next topic, that is limitations ऑफ कंप्यूटर. जैसे हमारी कुछ लिमिटेशन होती है कि हम दिन में ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा इतना वर्क कर सकते हैं, इतना चल सकते, इतना दौड़ सकते, इतना खेल सकते हैं, वैसे ही कंप्यूटर्स की भी अपने कुछ लिमिटेशंस है. You all know that a computer is a versatile machine and it is used for many purposes, but the computer has some of the limitation as well. So in limitation, first, zero IQ. Now zero IQ means computer has lack of decision making ability. Computer cannot take decision itself. Computers need to tell each and every step. They are dumb machine with zero IQ. इसका मतलब है कि कंप्यूटर है, उसके पास कोई IQ नहीं है, वो अपने आप से कुछ डिसीज़न नहीं लेता, हमें इनपुट जो है उसमें डालना पड़ता है. फिर सेकंड जो है, तो कंप्यूटर डज नॉट लर्न एनीथिंग फ्रॉम इट्स पास्ट एक्सपीरियंस. जैसे हम हमारे पास्ट एक्सपीरियंस से कुछ गलती हुई है एग्ज़ाम में तो कुछ सीखते हैं कुछ ना कुछ, पर कंप्यूटर से अगर एक बार गलती होती है तो वो कुछ सीखता नहीं है उसके पास्ट एक्सपीरियंस से, ये उसकी लिमिटेशन है. एंड नो फीलिंग, जैसे हम फील करते हैं, कोई हमें डांट देता है तो हमें बुरा लगता है, पर कंप्यूटर जो है उसके पास कुछ फीलिंग नहीं है. अगर हमने बोला कि ये कंप्यूटर की गलती है कि ये आउटपुट गलत आया या ये हार्ड है इसलिए नहीं आया, तो उसमें कंप्यूटर की कोई गलती नहीं है. तो कंप्यूटर डज नॉट हैव फीलिंग, इमोशन, टेस्ट, नॉलेज और एक्सपीरियंस. नाउ फ्रेंड्स, नेक्स्ट यू हैव कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ कंप्यूटर. कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ कंप्यूटर मीन्स कंप्यूटर जो है वो किन चीज़ों से बनता है. पार्ट्स ऑफ कंप्यूटर यू कैन ऑल्सो टेल. अ कंप्यूटर कंसिस्ट ऑफ मेनली 4 यूनिट्स. फर्स्ट, इनपुट यूनिट, memory unit, second memory unit, third processing unit, and fourth last output unit. Friends, these components of computer we will continue in next session.